Hey everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable Run as Administrator in Windows 11 to stop apps from running with elevated permissions by default. Step 1. Open the control panel by searching for it in the Start menu. Once it opens, click on System and Security to access system-level settings. Step 2. In the System and Security section, click on Security and Maintenance. This area allows you to change how Windows notifies you about important system events. Step 3. On the left sidebar, click Change User Account Control Settings. This controls how often Windows asks for your permission before apps make changes to the system. Step 4. Move the slider all the way down to Never Notify. This will stop Windows from prompting you for administrator approval, effectively disabling the Run as Administrator behavior. Step 5. Click OK to confirm the change. You may be prompted to allow this change. Just approve it, and your new setting will take effect immediately. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Windows tips.